Here's the truth about Mecha Chameleon on Android. Mecha Chameleon is not available on Android or any mobile platform. The game was released exclusively for PC on Steam on June 9, 2026, developed by Lemurian 1224. So what about the apps you might find on the Play Store using the same name? They are not the official game. Most are fake clones using Mecha Chameleon's name purely to attract downloads. Many of these fake apps are packed with intrusive ads, and some request unnecessary permissions that could put your personal data and privacy at serious risk. If you are wondering whether a Mecha Chameleon Android version is real or fake, the answer is clear. There is currently no official Android version of this game at all. Do not waste your time or risk your data downloading fake apps claiming to be Mecha Chameleon. Wait for an official announcement directly from the developer before trusting any mobile version. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.